Hey guys, welcome to another video, and this is going to be a small one. And in this video, we'll be discussing how much it will cost you to create your NFT collection on Tezos. Now, when I'm talking about it, we are actually considering a scenario where you want to launch your NFT project using, by creating a collection, a website where people can mint, and you will have a community and all sort of things that come along with it. So we're just going to talk about the cost that will involve that you actually need to pay in order to like deploy contracts and handle a bunch of things. So in this video, I'm not going to consider the cost that you need to pay in order to like hire someone to develop a website for you. I'm considering like that is something you need to take care of by yourself. And apart from that, I'm considering what are the other things that you have to spend on. So I've wrote this thread, you can check it out, and basically it just gives you this image here that I will open. So you can see there are actually four things that you need to pay. So the first thing is like while deploying your smart contracts, so we will going to have two contracts. The first one is FA2 contract, which stores all of the NFTs, and the other one is crowd sale contract. So crowd sale contract is the contract that manages your sale, both primary and secondary, and it will also manage like the whitelisted participants and all sort of things, and also the dev share and creator share if you want to specify that. Now, it will cost you around 3 to 5 XTZ to deploy both of these contracts. So, in order to deploy FA2 contract, it will cost you around 2.5 XTZ. It can be more or less. And for the crowd sale, it can be like around 1 or 1.5. So again, it could so the range would be 3 to 5 XTZ. So I'm considering the seal here, so which is 5 XTZ. Now for whitelisting certain users for the private sale. So if you know, there are actually two kind of sales in any NFT project. The first one is the private sale, which is only available for certain people, and there is another sale which is called public sale, which is available or open to everyone. So if you want to whitelist users for private sale, you will have to pay for around 1 XTZ for 100 users. So it totally depends upon how many users you want to participate. You want them to participate in your private sale. So considering 200 users, it would be 2 XTZs. And for revealing, so what is revealing again? So this is a process. So initially you assign demo NFTs with demo contract, but after you're done with the sale, you will assign the original NFTs with original metadata, and that's what we call reveal event, right? So at that stage you will just have to pay gas fee, so it would be around 1 XTZ max. Then the fourth one is to deploy the artwork and metadata to IPFS. So the thing about the IPFS is you don't really have to pay, like you can use IPFS desktop if you want to. But the thing about that is like it takes a lot of time, actually a lot of time to cache your assets into other public nodes. So that's why I recommend you guys to use pinata.cloud. So you could go to this website. So they have a paid plan where they charge around $0.15 for 1 GB. Considering your artwork is of around 10 GB, then it would be around $1.5. So if we take the max value, it would be $2. So overall, if you are considering to launch an NFT collection where the current price of XTZ is about $4, and you want to whitelist 200 people in the private sale, and so it will cost you around $34 in total. So which is not much, and this is the so again, we're not including the cost of like hiring people for deploying website, like creating website and deploying website, and also creating smart contracts. We're just considering the cost that you will actually have to pay. So yeah, this is the estimate. If you want to launch NFT projects and if you are confused about like certain things, then you can reach out to me on Twitter. I will definitely help you.